Greetings, noble masters of craft. Upon this fateful day we shall conjure the very eggs of dragons from naught but a lowly vessel of juice and other peasant items. So let us commence without delay. We're starting off with aluminium foil because it's quick and easy to shape it into something that resembles an egg. It doesn't have to be aluminium foil, you just need something that's shaped like an egg. It helps to use a flat object to perfect the shape as much as possible. You could make a really big dragon egg if you wanted to, but I went for a smaller size. I kept adding more foil until I was happy with the shape. Now our juice box comes into play. As you can see, this juice box has a nice metallic inside, like most juice boxes. We just need to cut it into panels so it's easier to work with. To make the material a bit thinner, I like to peel off the printed side. We're going to create a fold, so I'm using a ruler to help me. This fold will form the center of our scales, so I'm leaving roughly 1 centimeter on each side of the fold. Now you need some scissors, and you just cut a curve like this to create a leaf-shaped scale. We'll need a lot of scales, so this is a good way to practice your patience. Actually, do you want to guess how many scales are on this egg? I don't know it yet, so I'm gonna say 80. These already look nice, but if you want to create colorful scales, get some masking tape out and tape it down with the sticky side up. That way you can stick down the scales and paint them with alcohol-based markers or inks. Water-based inks unfortunately don't stick to the material. My inner magpie is very happy. I will be honest though, they will stain you if you touch them a lot. But since they're just for decoration, I didn't bother sealing every single scale. Now you'll need a glue gun to attach the scales. For the bottom of the egg I made a round piece to start off with. Then I covered that circle with scales. The last scale wasn't so well aligned, which was completely on purpose of course, so I can demonstrate how easy it is to correct mistakes. You can often cleanly remove the scale and the glue. And then you just continue adding scales. I like to place every scale between 2 other scales. As I got closer to the top, I used slightly smaller scales. To finish off the egg, I placed another smaller circle at the top, and I made the last scales meet in the center. Lastly, to make a nest for the eggs, I went through my trash like a raccoon and found some brown packaging. I then cut out lots of thin strips and crumpled them up. I could probably just buy something like that, but where's the fun in that? Look at how much fun I'm having. Patience. After a lot of fun, this is what I got. But seriously, I enjoyed this craft and I hope you like it. And here are some more nerdy crafts for you. Bye!